Mario, once again, Friday, November 7, 2025. I did not have enough time on my last video to discuss some of the other features of this particular helicopter, so I'm going to do it in this video with a little more time here. I mentioned that my radio system is, the basic system that I've been employing on a lot of these micro helicopters using separate components. It's got the DSM-2 receiver without the case, the orange receivers that I use with my orange Hobby King transmitters. I removed the case on this one, so that's sitting at the bottom here on the sides. There are two Fegao. I think those are Fegao or GWS speed controls. Those are rated at 10 amps to drive the brushless motors here. I am employing two brushless motors. These came from, I believe this is also from a company, Fegao. Fegao speed controls, and I think that Fegao brushless motors and the speed controls, I believe those are also Fegao. So this is brushless setup, but via a gear drive to the main rotor. Very, very smooth. This thing is so smooth, and when you're done spinning, throttling up, the rotor comes to a full stop after unwinding. So it's a really, really smooth setup this way. This one has another Fegao smaller than that one there. This would be what is considered to be an N50 size motor. That would be a I forget the specific size designations, because these have specific sizes, with some other designations. But you can tell that it's just a little tubular motor there. And this one is set up for direct drive with this propeller here. I showed it my 3D print propellers in my other video that I've been doing. Just printing these flat and then curving them under heat and form over a form. So I can achieve the curvature there. Those have become my are becoming my tail blades for my instead of these bought blades. These are for little airplanes, from GWS. So I'm doing away with those. But basically, this is my setup as far as the motor direct drive setup, using just basic components, basic speed controls, brushless speed controls on this particular system here. This is not the same as my Bumblebee. So just for comparison's sake, this is about the same size as the Bumblebee, some micro size. But you can see my Bumblebee with that motor there. You can tell that the size of the motor between that, and this, because this is a rewound motor that I rewound to go direct drive on my Bumblebees. Is working extremely, extremely well with a slightly larger rotor diameter than this one uses here. But this is my two-legged helicopter, and I thought I'd do a video here, a complete